The head of America's Federal Reserve, Ben Bernanke, has said the US central bank will not take any immediate action to stimulate the country's economy, as we heard earlier from Craig. In a much anticipated speech to international central bankers, Mr Bernanke made no firm commitment to act. He simply said the Fed had a range of tools that could be used to provide additional monetary stimulus. US stocks traded lower at first as the speech disappointed investors, but they've come home strongly, making solid gains in late trade. Let's take a look at those figures now. The Dow finishing this session more than 130 points up. The S&P was around 18 points higher. Across the Atlantic in Europe, the FTSE is slightly lower, as you can see, only just. And back home, the All Ordinaries closed down 9 points yesterday. The ASX 200 finished 13 points lower. And checking commodities, gold is up $51 an ounce, or in fact $56. And on the currencies market, the Aussie dollar is buying around 105 US cents. Market analysts say testimony from the Reserve Bank Governor Glenn Stevens confirms the view that interest rates are on hold for now. Fronting a House of Representatives Economics Committee hearing in Melbourne, he said Australia is well placed to weather any global downturn and says the mining boom is a big part of that. Mr Stevens told the committee that he was happy with the inflation and unemployment, which has been stable at around 5% for the past year. He says that number is low.